with a new student. What's your name?
My name is Megha.
Megha. How are you, Megha?
I'm good. What about you, sir?
I'm always be happy. I'm always evergreen. So tell me what's going on and what do you do?
I'm pursuing post-graduation from Delhi University and I'm teaching a student.
Okay. Tell me something about yourself briefly.
Okay. As you know, my name is Megha.
Yes.
And I'm pursuing post-graduation from Delhi University and I'm from Dhaulpur, Delhi. My hobbies are making cartoon characters and making some junk food for my sister. And I want to become a professor because I love to teach students and I love to be confident for myself.
Okay, good, nice. Okay, so Miss Megha, and we want to know that as you have been learning English here, I think a couple of days. So that after joining this institute, what's the improvement that you are feeling in yourself about this language?
Yes, I improve a lot because now I improve my confidence level of speaking English. Now I can speak whatever I know about this language. I can speak confidently. And I think this is the main point which I want to be to increase.
Okay, that's a great thing. Good, nice. It's a great experience, and as well as just I want to know about your future plan.
My future plan is, as you know, I want to become a professor and I'm pursuing post-graduation. Want to increase my teaching skill and knowledge for being a knowledgeable person, to increase my confidence and successful girl, or inspiring those girls who could not achieve their goals because of some family problem or society's rule. And I want to inspire them to become an independent girl.
Okay, nice, ever nice, great point that you have spoken about it. That you want to make them independent. Just both of you that you want to make them inspired. Okay, so could you tell me something about your role model and who is your role model?
I think my role model is my teacher. She is also just like belong to me middle class family, but she fights for their studies and achieve the good place their life. And now her life. Now she is also professor in Vivekanand College.
Okay.
And I like her personality. She is very bold and she have a guts to do something.
Okay.
If they want to learn something, they absolutely do work for their work. Also said to us that you should also find a solution whatever your problem, because problem is come, but you need to find a solution. If you not find, it means you are not doing anything for yourself.
But great, nice. So my audience that don't focus on the grammar mistakes, because they all are students and they are learning, and while learning just we make mistakes because we learn from the mistakes.
Yes.
So don't mind it, and just please encourage and appreciate it. Okay, so I would like to one more questions. Why should a person learn this language? I mean that English language.
Okay.
And then how it could be beneficial for him or her?
As we know, English language is international language. If we want to visit some cities or want to go in foreign, we should to learn language to communicate with people. And I think this language is not. I learn this language because I think if the thing is pressure. If the thing is pressure for your knowledge, for don't know the language, I want to say if you have the knowledge this language, you can communicate with people and you can take job easily from any type of job. And I think we should to learn English language, not for that. Don't people think this language is for Britishers, but it's not like that. If you think someone is saying like you that you are not able to speak English, it means your skills is waste. So show them that I know the English language and I have skills for doing something and to build your personality.
Wow, great answer, Miss Megha. That today is a nice and having a great. In the end, in the conversation, you would like to say something or not?
I want to say that if you want to learn English language, you should learn. And I think if you not learn English language, nobody will see your skills first, because we know that English language is spread in our India very much.
Wow.
That's all about.
Great, great. And next time we will be meeting and hope that you will not make mistake a lot. Okay? But now as you are learning English, thank you. Have a nice day.